Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because your girl is back with another DIY, and today I'm creating a ankle toe charm. I love doing DIYs. They're so much fun and it just bring out my creative side. Plus this channel is all about looks and looking luxe on a budget. If you want to learn how to create your own ankle toe bracelet charm, be sure to stay tuned because I got you. To click that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more looks on a budget, DIYs, and also just how to look luxe on a budget in general, fashion, hair, and all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. The items you'll need to create your ankle toe bracelet are crystal wrap here that I got from Michael's, needle and thread, scissors, and a clamp closure which you can find from an old necklace or bracelet. First, start by cutting the material to your desired length. You will be seeing me use my foot to make sure I don't cut too short. So when you're making your own, measure your foot with the amount of rhinestone material that you need. As you're doing your fitting, you can cut off any excess around the ankle and toe, but always leave extra space just for adjustments. Here I'm using the needle as my guide to pull the thread through the rhinestone material to secure the toe portion. From this point, I will tie the toe portion so it stays together. I'm going to leave the thread around the toe part so I can adjust it if it's too tight or too loose. So I hope the thread doesn't annoy anyone, but don't be so quick to cut the thread until you have it fit perfectly to your toe. Now moving on to your closure piece, applying this closure piece to the ankle part, making sure it's secure and placed correctly. As you can see, it's secure and ready to be tested. So I had to add a gold charm, and it's okay because I'm able to see it more clear when I'm ready to take off that part of it. Right now I'm not going to cut the piece of thread because I might have to make some minor adjustments. This is the final look. I'm just so happy with the way the charm came out. It's so beautiful. It fits just according to my ankle and my foot. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me make a hand charm, be sure to comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up down below. I love you all. Bye.